Good day, Pinoy Clicksters and Mixers. Welcome back to the channel. For this video, we're going to unbox a brick of Lantern Legacy on behalf of Heinz. Let's go! Okay, so we have here a brick of DC Heroclix Lantern Legacy set. Okay, the latest DC set for 2025. And as I mentioned in the introductory video, this particular brick is owned by Heinz. Okay, so my best friend, my good friend Heinz, and I'm going to unbox it on his behalf, okay, because he is headed somewhere down under. So anyway, our hope is that we get a good break, of course. And by good, we mean a break that's not probably a Superman White Lantern chase break because he already has that. And ideally, we want either a Larfleeze break because he wants to get Larfleeze or uh, Atrocitus and Dexter chase break. And of course, Mogo wouldn't be so bad. So that being said, let me switch to the hand screen. Okay. And let's get it on. Okay. So this is the brick of Heinz. We'll probably keep the legacy card as the last item to look at, as always. Okay. So 2002 to present, 2025. We also want to get lots of rings and lots of constructs, specifically, I would say, uh, white constructs, okay, and even like swords, especially. As always, we're going to unbox this from left to right, starting with the back row. So booster number one. Okay, so good luck, Heinz. And again, thank you for giving me the honors to look at your at your brick. That means I also have first dibs on things that I might need for your from your brick. Okay, of course you can trade it. Let's see. Booster number one is oops. We have Batman, common. We have what's this one? Soranic Natu. And I see a ring. Okay, so we wanted a ring. We get a ring. And it's the ultraviolet ring. Okay, let's do a head account of our rings. Number one, we have an orange construct. Our first super rare is Our Man. Okay, so can't recall what's the collation for super rare Our Man. Okay, okay. Ultraviolet Lantern Ring, as I said, and Our Man. Okay, so I don't think Heinz has an Our Man yet, so always a good thing if you don't have duplicates. Booster number two is C. So Heinz is a big fan of DC, of course, and specifically, uh, he wants to collect the the green lanterns and the white lanterns and the orange and I guess everything, all the lanterns. So the second, here a good sign we have the ultraviolet sword, okay, which comes nicely because we have the ring, so that's a good pair. Then we have a Guy Gardner rare. We have a Spectre, Green Lantern, Blue Dolphin, Space Dolphin, and Dog. Okay. Uh, by the way, we have to open up the card packs as there might be some hidden legacy card. And as you can see from the first booster, we have the Parallax Hal Jordan legacy card. Okay. Okay. It's good. I think Heinz wanted that legacy card. I do have the figure, so we'll probably work out a trade. Sword Ultraviolet. Okay, Spectre. Let's see if there's bonus. Yes. The Flash and Green Lantern. Okay. So this particular set is become really the major contender for set of the year because of all the good stuff that comes in the booster. Me, of course, I'm looking forward to X-Men because I'm a huge fan of X-Men. But honestly, this is such a great set. Booster number 3, we have Red Sound. Okay, we have Batman Black, a Blue Dolphin, Arquilo, and Gantet. Okay, I don't think Heinz has Arquilo, so always a good thing. And we see here an extra Jessica Cruz team up. This always pops up in a lot of unboxings. Arquilo is a rare. Booster number 4. 4. Mm, This would probably be the last the last brick unboxing that I'll do for Lantern Legacy. Okay, we've had such a huge supply here in the Philippines, so we're happy about it. Now I see a bubble wrap, and ooh, we have a Red Lantern pack. Okay. So at least Heinz got the chase, one of the chases he wants, which is not a Superman, but he likes this because of the cat, Dexter the cat. So congratulations, Heinz. A good hit. And of course, we have the red ring. It's all red. We have the red lantern recruit. We have the Strevius, Lyra, and the red lantern ring. Okay, so let me collect this ring for now. Okay, so we have 2. So this is shaping up to be similar to, I would say, Larry's brick because Larry got a Deck Star in one of his brick, but I can't remember who are the other chase super rares. So we'll find out together as we open booster number 5. We have ultraviolet. So Soundwave Blue. I thought it was ultraviolet. We have Alan Scott. Question. Hmm. Despotelis and Hal Jordan Green. Hmm, Let's see. Any other extra? Yeah, we have the Miriam Legacy card. I do have the figure. Star Sapphire. Probably we'll trade for it. And booster number 6. Oops, sorry. Forgot, forgot this construct, blue construct. Booster number 6. We have green sound, black Hal. Okay, we have Superboy Prime. Not so sure if he already has that. Dog and Lantern Recruit. Green Lantern Recruit. Okay. Let's see. Superboy Prime and the Green Lantern Power Battery. Okay. Soundwave Green is a construct. So it's good that I think he's getting to finish all the Green Lanterns. Number 7 contains Ultraviolet. No, Indigo. Indigo Soundwave, Yellow Hal, Gambler, Jessica Cruz Yellow, and Kyle Rayner Yellow. Okay. Gambler, of course, is the rare. Let's see. We have Superman team up. So he already has this. Okay, fine. I think this booster complements nicely his Superman break. It might actually be the other half of a Superman break because of that team up. Okay, let's see. This is booster number 7, 8, 9. Eight rather. Number 8, we have the white sound wave. Okay. We have Lex Luthor. We have Hal Jordan Red, Jessica Cruz, and Sinestro Recruit. Okay. See what's here. And an extra Indigo Tribe power battery. Okay. Good, good, good. So there's no surprises anymore. We've seen all of the figures. Okay. In the Philippines, I think we pulled most of the chases except for the Guy Gardner Star Sapphire version, Chase one. Okay. I don't know if anybody pulled that, as far as I know. Uh, but we pulled a lot of Superman, a lot of what you call this, uh, Atrocitus, I guess. Okay, number 9, we have a white ring. Yay. Or third ring. Okay, Heinz already has this, so this would probably be for trade or sell. Yellow Hal, Red Lantern Recruit, Sandman, and Kyle Rayner Green. Okay, let's see. What's the extra? Yeah, the extra Rage of the Red. Okay. So this seems to be a Red Lantern break. Okay, number 10, we have, I hope we get one more ring. We have a green sword. Okay, we have Lobo Prime. Okay, he already has Lobo Prime though. We have Question. We have, what's it, Scar and Batman. Okay, but the Green Lantern sword is always a good thing that is sought after. So we'll probably be able to trade and sell that green sword and team up Scar or Black Lantern. Okay? Yeah, I probably need that Black Lantern Scar. Number 11. We only have 2 super rares so far. We hope that the last one is an Animal Man, of course. We have a pink ring, a Star Sapphire ring. Okay. We have 4 rings. Joe Mullion, Blue Hal, Spectre, and a Black Lantern. Reanimate. Okay, okay, let's see what we have. This is really meta for pulp. And then we have Who's Fragging Next. Star Sapphire. Finally, the last from the boosters. We're hoping for a super rare. And it is yellow. Sound wave. Sound wave construct, yellow. Oh, the Flash. And what's this? Oh, Jade. Okay, Jade, Beast Boy, and Atom. Okay. So have to check whether he has the Flash. But the yellow construct and an extra Johnny Thunder. Okay. So that's it. I'll be taking pictures of everything he pulls. And again, Oh, this has been a fun unboxing. Okay, congratulations, Heinz. Enjoy your trip, and I'll see you soon. Bye.